Hey everyone! Today we're going to be making some really cute ghost cupcakes. We're going to start by making our chocolate cupcakes, a chocolate frosting, and then some white chocolate ghosts for cupcake toppers. So let's get started. First, we're going to make some really moist chocolate cupcakes. To start, add some canola or vegetable oil to a bowl, white sugar, as well as some brown sugar. I'll leave all the measurements in the description box below. Then add your melted chocolate and then mix all of these ingredients together. And then you can add in 1 large egg. Next, we're going to add in all our dry ingredients. So just sift in the flour, cocoa powder, and the baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Beat in all the ingredients just until they're combined. Try not to overmix the batter at this point. Then finally, we're going to add in the milk. Mix in the milk until the batter has just combined. Next, line a cupcake tin with 6 to 8 cupcake liners. This recipe makes a small batch of cupcakes. Fill the cupcake liners about 2/3 of the way. Then bake for 12 to 18 minutes at 350 degrees. You'll know the cupcakes are done when a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Next, we're going to make the white chocolate ghosts for the cupcake toppers. You'll need some white chocolate chips, some canola oil, a little bit of chocolate, and an offset spatula or a spoon. First, you're going to melt the white chocolate chips in the microwave and then add the canola oil in it and mix it together. And spoon about a half teaspoon of white chocolate and spread it with the back of a spoon or an offset spatula. Continue to repeat that until you have enough chocolate ghosts for all your cupcakes. Then you're going to melt a little bit of chocolate and add it to a Ziploc bag or a piping bag so you can make some eyes for the ghosts. And then let the ghosts rest either at room temperature or in the fridge for the chocolate to firm up. While we wait, we're going to make our chocolate buttercream frosting. To a bowl, add 1 stick of butter and beat it until it's light and fluffy. Then add in some melted chocolate and combine it with the butter. Once the melted chocolate and butter have combined, add in a little bit of your icing sugar, about 1/3 of a cup. Once the icing sugar is combined, add in a little heavy cream. Once it's all combined, add in half of your cocoa powder and combine it before adding the rest of your icing sugar, the cream, and the cocoa powder in separate additions. once all the ingredients are combined, you can also add in some black gel food coloring to get that black color. And give it one final mix and add the frosting to a piping bag. Now we're ready to assemble our cupcakes. First, frost the cupcakes however you like. I chose to create a swirl with a 1M tip. Then carefully peel off the chocolate ghosts from the parchment paper and carefully place them on top of the cupcakes. Try not to handle them too much, as the wet chocolate ghosts might melt from the heat of your hands. Add the toppers to all of your cupcakes and then finish the look with some sprinkles if you like. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and comment below and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. See you next week.